Hello, class. My name is Andrea White, and I will be teaching EDU 503 Methods of Teaching Elementary Math. I am so excited to get started with you over the next 10 weeks. I wanted to show you a little bit more about the course, navigating tips, and a few other things, and just introduce myself and make it a little more personable. I have taught for SNHU for 3 years now. I teach a variety of education courses. I am a faculty trainer, and I have developed a few courses for the education department. I have 3 wonderful boys. Their names are Parker, Hunter, and Cooper. Parker's in the middle, then Hunter, and then Cooper. They're 6, 4, and 2, and my husband Pete. A little over 3 years ago, I decided that I wanted to stay home, and I resigned from teaching, and that's when I came as an adjunct for SNHU, and I'm so excited that I can still share my teaching knowledge and also raise my boys. So that is just a little bit about me. So we're going to start here at the announcements page. Every time you log in, you come up on the announcements page. So the most recent announcement will always be at the top. And I also have a Google Calendar here for you. Let me see if I can scroll down. Maybe. Oh, there it goes. All right, so here's your welcome announcement. And then down here is your Google Calendar. This is really neat. You can print it off. You can see the agenda, which is really neat. And this will kind of help you stay organized throughout the course and show you when everything is due and a few tips along the way. So this is really helpful. You'll also have the syllabus in the course information section that I'll go over. Make sure you read all of the announcements at the start of the course. There's quite a bit of information, so just take your time. I'm a visual person, so I like to print off things. So if you would like to do that, that's a nice tip if you're a visual person like me. So after you read the announcements, you can start off in the course information section. And here you can print off the syllabus. This will show you all of your assignments over the next 10 weeks. So here's the syllabus right here. Down here are all of the rubrics that you will see. They are also at the bottom of every learning module as well, that I'll show you in a second. All right, so now we're going to go to your learning modules. So after you've looked up your announcements and then looked over all the stuff in the course information, you can start looking in Learning Module 1. And when you click on Module 1, you'll see the objectives for this week, the overview you can read, all of the reading and resources, such as videos or articles that will go with the week. Sometimes there will be optional readings. This week there are not. You always have your assignments here towards the bottom. So for the first week, you have a discussion board. We have a short paper on an article review, actually articles, and then to review your critical task. And then again at the bottom, all of your rubrics are down here. Now, for the critical task, I have a separate announcement for this. Please be sure to look over the announcement, look over the rubric, and I will make sure to let you know of anything along the way working towards our critical task. We have a field experience in this course. It can be very confusing. So we have the formative assessment probe that you're going to have to give to 4 students in a K-6 class. We have 2 math lessons that you're going to need to just observe. And then we have the family math night. Now, in the final project, you will not have to write anything about the family math night, but that is part of the experience section. So I will help you along the way and break it down. So just make sure to review that. Also, In every learning module, when you're ready to submit an assignment, all you're going to do is click on the title of the assignment, and then you can view the rubric here. It'll give all the instructions of the assignment. And then what you'll be able to do is here is where you upload your paper. So you'll upload your paper, and down here is where you can write to me any comments. Maybe you struggled with the assignment. Maybe you had issues with formatting, which is fine. So go ahead and tell me anything right here. Now, when you upload your assignment, as you can see, we use SafeAssign for our plagiarism detector. For SafeAssign, any of these files we accept. Now, I do want to tell you about SafeAssign. It is similar to Turnitin, which I'm sure you have used in the past. It'll detect any plagiarism. Now, if something does come up or is highlighted, please do not get worried, because a lot of times if you have an in-text citation, you're okay, or it might bring up something from another student's paper just because it is similar, because we are, writing about the same thing. So do not worry, I'll make sure to check everything out, and I will let you know if there is an issue, and we'll be able to work it out together. Also, make sure to check out all the resources in the plagiarism announcement that I have in this first week as well. All right, so that's a little bit about the learning modules. They're set up really nicely, and all the learning modules are actually opened. And so if you do want to work ahead, you may work ahead. Just let me know if you are working ahead, and if you have a question, just send me an email about it. The next thing is our discussion board. Now, we will have a discussion board one week and then a blog the next week. For our discussion boards, the initial post is due every Thursday. Now, our brand new late policy, which there is an announcement, the first week, we're keeping it the same as it has been, where your post is due at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, Eastern Standard Time. Now, in the second week and on, it is not due until your local time. And then same thing with all the assignments on Sunday. The first week, they're Eastern Time on Sunday night at 11:59, and then the rest of the course, they are on your local time. So that is a change in the policy. And I will make sure to let you know throughout as well. So for your discussion board, you can click on the link, and then you just create a new thread, and then put in your title, and you'll be all set to go. Now, I did want to let you know you can subscribe to your own thread. Once you click on your thread, there'll be a little blue button where you can subscribe to, and you'll get emails when someone replies to your post. Also, the general questions section, you can subscribe to the whole forum. So any question that's posted, you will be able to see through email. So that can be really helpful. So I recommend that. Over here, we have some research and writing resources. So you can click on that to help you out. There's my instructors to learn more about me. And then down here, we have my grades. This is where I won't click it on, because if I do, it'll show up as a blank screen. But you can click on your my grades. And if you see an exclamation point, that means it still needs graded. If not, you'll see a points, and then you can click on the points and then the title, and you'll be able to see my feedback and the feedback in the rubric as well. And then we have our course tools, which I will talk about more in week 2 when we will have a blog. So that'll be coming in week 2. And then chalk and wire. In modules 5, 7, and 9, you will submit your milestones in chalk and wire. And I will make sure to provide a video for you in each module, module 5, 7, and 9, to walk you through how to submit your milestone in chalk and wire. So I just wanted to share a little bit about, just navigating through the course. One more little thing I forgot. This is pretty new, fairly new. The Online Student Services tab, if you click on that, anything in the middle is your academic support. You have your tech support on the left and your student support on the right. The middle column is awesome. We have our specific tutoring here. We have our writing center, our Shapiro library down here, which I'll talk more about later on in the course as well. Citation support, anything you need, we have it here. And also, please let me know. I'm here to help you, assist you through the course, and also make it fun at the same time. So I'm really excited to get started and share my knowledge with you. I loved math. When I taught, I was on a few of the math committees, and I was also the head of our second grade math curriculum, and I helped map out the Common Core standards when Ohio adopted them. So I'm really excited to get started. Please email me or call me if you need anything. I will see you in the discussion boards.